Now, there are many theories, there are many stigmas out there for what is actually happening with a chiropractic adjustment that's causing that cracking or the popping noise. Now, a lot of people think that it's your bones crunching or cracking together, but in reality, the way our body is formed is that our joints are filled with fluid as well as air and gas. And when you do a chiropractic adjustment, that joint gets moved and opened up, causing air and gas to be released. So that is what is actually causing the popping or the cracking noises with your adjustments.